Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can customize the screen timeout on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. For that, you want to go to your settings and then you need to go to always on display and lock screen and go to the sleep thingy. Lock screen automatically displaying static content for extended periods of time may make colors uneven. Alright, so right now it's set to 1 minute. We can choose between 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. Like everything above 1 minute, I think is like a bit too short. Everything above 5 minutes is a bit too long, I think. Maybe a bit of a safety issue there. I like to go with 1 minute or 2 minutes, but for demonstration reasons, we'll go with 15 seconds. Then we can make other settings here, the rise to wake, and then double tap to wake or turn off your screen when device is locked. You can double tap to turn the screen off only when pre-installed themes are applied. Alright, we'll go back and then we'll wait a second, maybe two, until the screen dims a bit. And now it's almost out. I can see the icons there still. And now it's, well, blacked out. It locked itself. And now we need to put in our PIN to get back in our phone. So that's how the screen timeout works and how you can customize it. Hope you liked it. Hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.